create some pressure situations before we go. Perform for the student body today, which they say that's worse than performing at state, having all their friends watching, you know, and judging everything they do. Okay, how are we feeling? Good. Okay, what's powering you right now? All right. You guys, and it's so, like, we went 1 year from what place to what place?
Went from 5th to 3rd. Yeah, 5th
tied
to 10 for second.
What year was that?
Spiders.
Spiders. That was Brittany Schubert's senior year.
Hey, that was 10 years ago, guys.
Let's 5th to 3rd.
Wow, that's been 10
from
years.
Prelims to finals. That's why performances matter. And that's why at practice, we're after you so much, because it's got to be automatic. You got to be a machine. You know.
The top scorer right now is only 3 points ahead of us.
That is nothing. We can do that. Like if everybody would fix one thing, that's 24 things right there.
It's getting obsessed with fixing your details.
Okay, ready, say.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's how, okay, let's do that again and let's get it really tight.
Oh, Mariah, I keep forgetting to tell you, I feel like you're cutting this bow off a little bit.
Yeah, I noticed that watching the video at section.
That's where
Good.
I think I saw it. Okay.
That's where she saw it. So yeah. And now that's a good point. If you watch your video, notice stuff and then go back and fix it. That's what's going to give us another point.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4,
Excellent
5,
faces.
6, 7, 8.
Good, good. All right, so I just want you to think about shortening up and tightening up your arms, okay? Nice and tight, you guys, good.
Timing was off on that.
I thought it was better. On that?
Yeah, I thought it was off. Not the groups, on this.
Tight, tight.
Dee-dee-dee-be-dee-beep-a-doo-be-doo. Loo-be-da-ba-doo-ba-da-ba-da-da. Ding, 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 da-da-da, do-do-do-do-do.
If someone gives you a correction, go, I've got this. I'm getting after it. All right. Give me more feedback. It's the Breakfast of Champions. Better heads, you guys. That was so much better. Heads were better. They were tighter. Usually in this last 2 weeks is when our heads get better. Unfortunately, I mean, I'm glad, but I wish it was like 2 months ago. But could you see that time? Yeah, okay, so we're going to split to Jazz now. So kick.
Jazz, come sit up here. We're
Terry,
going to
you decide what you're doing. You can go out in the hall. You can.
It's super hard to see faces from the suite at state, so those need to be more exaggerated during the whole thing. I feel like they were better in kick than Jazz, so really push it.
Faces were better in kick than Jazz.
Yep.
And I want to tell
Those little
Kick that
things
too.
bring it all together and can add quick points.
So what we're saying is like, and you know this, is like at Forest Lake, we were like this. At state, you're like this. You know, you've got to just really emote because it's so far away. Okay, so you almost got to be like kind of a maniac, almost weird. So, okay, so let's start with the body roll, please. Ready?
But stay close together.
Can we
so
find where that is? Okay, so
it's hard for me to see their timing.
could we ever have you in a line, and then we will film it like a line sideways, so I can a horizontal, kick line. Go, go, go fast, close together, almost like face sideways, close together. Then I can see your body roll. Get what I'm saying? Okay, ready? Here we go. I think we can see this.
Faces, think about them.
How did that go? Let's see it again.
Maybe we should go.
And do a face. Do a face. What's the face here, guys?
Now, sassy. Think about how she's singing it. All I want to know is, baby, if what we had. Like, what would your face be if you were singing that?
I feel like I know.
You wouldn't be going, what we had was good.
No, she won't though. That's okay to sing every single song. She sits there
Okay.
just like.
Even if you're singing a mad song, I think when you're singing a dramatic song in the car. Well,
Yeah,
We need a face.
I smiled the whole way through it. Like it gives me like a smile.
I kind of like the smiling for most of it though, because I think.
I know, but I feel okay. Think
Right.
what she's saying. Why on earth
I
can't
know.
you just pick up the
Come
phone?
up
You
with
want to
the
be
face. Let me
smiling
see your
during that?
face.
No, you do a face.
I can't. I have a crooked face. I don't want you to cut. I'm self-conscious.
They do it slower, but if you did ha 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 like they do, out,
I like
in,
that.
Out, in, or
I
they
like
go,
that.
Out in out ha. Yeah.
I love that.
Shoom, boom boom ha.
Try that, you guys.
I don't know, but
Ready?
they're all facing different directions when they do it.
Then they couldn't
So
tell
you
if we
go
were off.
step out and your chest opens way up. Then you
B,
cave it in.
B, B, B.
Point it like it's literally just like a ba ha, like 45 degrees. Well, except for it comes from the out. Like if you did.
Guys, everybody think about it, what we could do here, and then we'll call it a day. You could do a pickup like, how many beats are there?
It's just so fast
I
now
know.
that you can't really do like.
But you could, I almost think we should do
They're
it.
just such weird.
Beats. That's why I
Speed.
wanted to do a peel here, because I thought it would be easy, like, but it would, I don't know. I don't know what to do here.
Let's think about it. Bring something to the table tomorrow.
All right, bring it in, let's clean it up, and get ready to go.